everyone. Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman, and with us is Jean Fruh. She is the Executive Director of the Outside Foundation, been with us on numerous occasions. Yes. But today we're talking about a special event that's going to be happening July the 17th. That is a Wednesday. And it is the Broad Creek, Keep the Broad Creek Clean Water Festival. So I'm going to begin by asking you: is the Broad Creek, does it need to be cleaned? Is it why are we doing this?
Well, we are so fortunate, and we kind of share all that common passion, locals and visitors alike, for, the natural beauty that surrounds us. And one of the most dominant things, other than our ocean beach, is the Broad Creek, which is I think, 7-mile-long tidal inlet that almost bisects our community, of Hilton Head Island. And it is wonderfully clean. It is a source of great aesthetic beauty and, of course, recreation. And so the whole purpose behind this water festival, which I think we're in our 7th or 8th annual, is to invite children, their families, locals and visitors alike to come on down to Shelter Cove Community Park, and we'll have 20 environmentally focused kind of nonprofits and organizations there to answer questions with hands-on displays and to talk about ways in which our everyday actions affect, keeping our community clean and beautiful and keeping our waterways beautiful. And so, again, it's a celebration of that and an opportunity to, if you have questions, have them answered. The experts will be there.
So when you talk about the experts and the nonprofits, who might be coming?
Sure, we have commitments from virtually all of the environmentally focused nonprofits and groups in the kind of southern part of Beaufort County, and that includes Port Royal Sound Foundation. We've got Hilton Head Island Audubon, Sea Turtle Patrol, Coastal Discovery Museum, large and small groups. Of course, the Outside Foundation will be there. And we'll all have kind of hands-on interactive displays. A lot of biologists, wildlife biologists, and people who do this, really kind of as their passion, their living, to answer your questions. Beaufort County is changing recycling, and so if you have questions about that, we will have experts on hand to answer those questions. And this will be a single-use plastic-free event.
Now, what does that mean, Jean?
So we're trying to encourage at all of our events and encourage others to bring your own refillable water bottle. If we think about the 2.5 to 3 million visitors alone, plus 40,000 residents on the island, if we think about everybody maybe just using one plastic water bottle a year, well, most of that goes, probably 90% of that is going to the landfill. And that's just overwhelming when you think about the amount of plastic that's used for 15, 20 minutes or maybe a little bit longer and then is discarded. It's a challenge in the recycling market to handle and find buyers for that plastic. And so we've said enough. And so we're simply not going to have those available. We will have hydration station. We'll be giving out to the first 500 registrants. We'll be giving out a free refillable water bottle. Pretty cool, thanks to our partners, Palmetto Running Company. So, that's what we would like to stress, and that's a great way in which we can protect that Broad Creek, protect our ocean beaches, and certainly protect our sea turtles.
Right.
Because we want to keep plastics out of our waterways.
So the event is on July the 17th. It's a Wednesday.
Correct.
From 4 to 8 at, as you said, the Shelter Cove
Community Park,
and it's for the family, so it's not
absolutely.
just for the adults. So there's lots of stuff for the kids to
definitely
learn about.
Definitely kid-oriented. It's such a great location, easy access, and so we hope people will come on down. It's always hot in the summer, but we've got palmetto pops, and we're also really, really fortunate to have Local Pie there with their wood fire kind of portable oven to be serving up some pizzas. And so it'll be just really, I think, a lot of fun. It's such a great location to have a water festival. You get to look out over this this really 4,000-acre expanse of the Broad Creek and salt marshes. And if that doesn't hit home in terms of where we need to have priorities and what we need to engage and connect our next generation to, because they have to understand it, they have to love it, so that they'll protect it.
Very good. You're always an outstanding spokesperson for all of the events and for the Outside Foundation. Thank you so much, Dr. Jean Fruh.